Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to log into your new Facebook account step by step. Whether you're a first-time user or simply need a refresher, these updated instructions will have you connected in no time. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to install the Facebook app. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook and tap on the app icon that appears. To begin the download, hit the Install button and let it download and install the app onto your device. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it from your home screen or app drawer. You'll be greeted by the login screen. Here, enter the email address or phone number associated with your new Facebook account in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field below. After you've filled in your login details, it's time to tap the Login button. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a code that is sent to your email or phone for added security. Just follow the prompts that appear. Finally, you will be given the option to save your login information for easy access in the future. If you'd like to stay logged in and skip the login process next time, just select Save. And there you have it. You're all set to start exploring your new Facebook account.